What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is biryani. It's make me happy because in my free time I like it and it's very tasty and another festival food in our country.
How do you usually spend your weekends?
In my free time, I will go outside with my friends. It's another moment. I take lot of photos and a lot of video. Take it.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English. English is because it's an international language. Most of the people it's learning English for better future in his life.
Do you like studying alone or do you like to study with friends and why?
Uh, I like study not alone because it's I don't like it because I sometimes I try with my friends do we study together. It's better for me.
Which subject do you find most difficult?
I think mathematics is very tough for me.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is traveling. Sometimes when I get free time, I will go outside for learning new things and skills acquire.
What time do you usually wake up?
I get up in around 6:30 because then first of all I wake up this time and pray for salat. Then I will go in my reading room for studies.
What job or business would you like to do in the future?
I like almost in our countries is very familiar online job. It's very creativity, so I like it.
Okay, can you tell us your name?
My name is Tuhin Alam. My family members and also my friends like to love me, call me Tuhin. It's my nickname.
Okay, thank you, Tohin. This is the end of your speaking test. Thank you so much.
Okay, sir. Thank you.